Now, how about if we are asked to find the derivative of quadratic functions? Say f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 4. And we are asked to find the derivative of this function. So again, let's start with f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 4. And we will have to substitute x plus h to all of the variables x on this function. So f of equals So, palitan natin yung ating variable na x ng x plus h. So, the first x here, so x plus h. Next one, another x plus h. And hindi lang mag-isa yung x natin dito, we have another one. So, we have another x plus h. Okay. Afterwards, we will have to simplify that. So, f of x plus h is equal to x plus h squared means that we will have to apply FOIL method or the square of a binomial. So, what we do is we square the x, so x squared plus, so multiply natin x times h times x, so that will give us 2xh plus h squared. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan master na din natin ang squaring of a binomial this time. So, plus, distribute natin yung 3 to both x and h. So, 3 times x, that will give us 3x, plus 3 times h, that is 3h, minus 4. So, we will be using this expression to substitute here on this formula. So, balik tayo dito. F prime of x is equal to the limit of f of x plus h. Copy lang natin lahat to. So, this will give us x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 4 minus f of x. Take note that there are 3 terms on this function. So, ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin siya ng parenthesis. It's very important na hindi mawala yung parenthesis na yan. So, that is x squared plus 3x minus 4 all over h as h approaches 0. So, basically, if we substitute 0 immediately here on the variable h, magiging over 0 siya. So, hindi pwede yon. So, kailangan muna nating isimplify yung ating numerator. So, f prime of x equals the limit of. So, what we'll do is we will have to distribute the negative to all the expressions inside the parenthesis. So, copy muna natin x squared. So, negative times x squared, this will give us negative x squared. Negative times 3x, that's negative 3x. Negative times negative 4, that will give us positive 4. All over h as h approaches 0. So, from there, let's combine like terms. So the limit, so x squared minus x squared, magiging 0 siya. 2xh, wala siyang kapareho, so let's just copy it. H squared, wala rin. So plus h squared. 3x, so meron tayo ditong negative 3x, that will make it 0. So 3h, wala din. So just copy 3h. And then minus 4, pero meron tayong positive 4, which will make it 0. So ito na lang natira. All over h, as h approaches 0. So if we immediately evaluate this limit, we will just get 0 over 0, which is indeterminate. So hindi pa rin yun pwede. So what we do is, we simplify the fraction first. But doing so, we will have to factor out the common among the numerator. So ang common sa kanilang lahat ay h. So h times 2xh will become 2x, plus h squared will become h, plus 3h will become 3, all over h, as h approaches 0. And from there, you could see that we could cancel common factors. So anong common nila? Pareho ang numerator and denominator na merong h. So we cancel that out. From there, we will just get the limit of 2x plus h plus 3 as h approaches 0. And from here, we could just evaluate the limit. So we simply substitute 0 to h. So this becomes 2x plus 0 plus 3. And simplifying that, we will get the derivative of f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So that is our final answer. So miss, our derivative is 2x plus 3. It means that the slope of the tangent line is 2x plus 3. Why is there still a variable? Kasi walang binigay sa atin na exact point. So, kung anumang point ang ibigay na kapartner nitong f of x, so sasubstitute lang natin dito yung kanyang x value, then we will immediately get the slope of the tangent line. But since wala namang given point here, ibig sabihin, this is just our slope of the tangent line. Any tangent line to the function f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 4.